never to you, no, no, oh, like a baby, stillborn, like a beast with his heart.